Hello everyone. Today I am making a Captain America cartoon model. I am using super clay for this craft. I have given the link of the ingredients in the description box. You can check. Honestly, Captain America, Thor, Iron Man, every Marvel characters are my favorite. I really miss them a lot. But among the new Avengers, I think Moonlight is quite good. So tell me in the comment about your favorite superhero. That's it for today. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.